Oi mates, welcome to a new video.
What's
today.
Up, bro? We have Nathaniel
Oi.
and Oi.
Oi mate, today we're going to a freaking waterfall. But right now, guess where we are? We're at Walmart. We're gonna get some treats. We also have some treats here. Wink, wink.
It's a special kind of treat.
Wait, what are we looking for?
Miracle Whip.
Miracle Whip. No, but for real, we need some fluff.
For real.
Twist and shout.
Oh, elf.
Elf. Elf. This is also very smart, but very dangerous. We have made it to the waterfall. Look at that. Oi mates, welcome back. We found another freaking waterfall. Look at this shit, it's beautiful. Apparently there's three waterfalls in one area. And we also took a little bit of magical tremendously beautiful. There it is, beautiful out there. Okay, so we just freaking swam into that shit when we jumped into that cold ass water. Literally like 20 degrees in there. Okay, we went to the first waterfall. This is the second one. Apparently there's a third one that's even bigger. We're gonna check that out. I swallowed a fly. I would go in if it was sunny outside, but no. That shit is fucking terrifying. Terrifying. Should we just jump?
Wait, should we?
If you want to.
Fuck no.
Bloody hell, he's gonna do it. He's gonna jump. Cold as fuck in there. Are you ready?
Here, let me stop this. Holy shit! Oh my fucking god, dude!
Okay, so I didn't record a fucking outro, but it was amazing. We're gonna go back there sometime, I don't know, but it was literally amazing. And it was a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today too. I might do something, and peace out.